Good afternoon. This is video journal number 6 for sales and broadcasting. The question is, in your own words, explain how a company can use broadcast media to create TOMA for its product or service, and give an example of one product or service that you feel has used broadcast media to create TOMA in a specific category. Okay, TOMA, as we know, is top of mind awareness. And in dealing with TOMA, top of mind awareness, what you want to do is be able to have your brand activity increased enough so that whenever a customer thinks of a product or service, then they're thinking of your particular product or service. That's what TOMA is all about. It's how quickly a brand or product can come to the customer's mind. And in order to do this, you also have to be able to deliver a good product. You can't just, have a customer just think of your product or your service, and your product and service is absolutely no good. That's a bad thing. And of course, you don't want to be on the opposite end of that spectrum where a customer might say, well, I don't know what I want, but I definitely know I don't want that particular person's service or product. So with TOMA, it's supposed to be at the top of the front of your customer's mind, but you also have to deliver a good service for that. And companies can use broadcast media to create the top of mind awareness by having their product or their service always in front of a customer. They're going to be using the media to brand themselves, brand their products, brand all that they're doing, so that when somebody, again, thinks of their service, that's who they're thinking about. So that's what it's all about. That once you continue to hear a particular service or product, you're going to start thinking of it. If you used to deal with Subway all the time, and all of a sudden there are no more Subway commercials on, and you're hearing Jimmy John's commercials all the time, then Jimmy John's is going to begin to immediately go to the top of your mind. And that's how you can use broadcast media to create TOMA for your product or service. Now, one particular company, restaurant that I think does a good job of using broadcast media to create TOMA is Domino's Pizza. They always have an ad about a special on carry-out pizza. And usually whenever they play these ads, it's right there. Maybe when you're on the radio, it's when parents may be picking kids up from soccer practice or piano practice or whatever the extracurricular activities are that's going on. Usually hear those Domino's commercials on the radio about that time and how they have this special takeout pizza, large pizza for $7.99, 3 toppings. When mom and dad have had a long day at work, they're picking the kids up, they may not want to go home and cook. And you know what's easy? Go to Domino's, get a large pizza for $7.99, and the kids can get 3 toppings. 2 pizzas feeds just about everybody in the household, including mom and dad. And they can continue going on about their business. So I think also, Domino's also has expanded their menu, and they continually use broadcast media to let you know they're not only pizza anymore. They have sub sandwiches. They have pasta now. And they have the crazy cheesy bread along with chocolate on the bread, almost like dessert breads that you can get however you want. So I think Domino's Pizza has done a very good job in using broadcast media and the times that they play it. And they're always in front of you at the most opportune time so that you can think, hey, let's just get a Domino's Pizza. Let's not do anything else. It's quick, it's easy, and it's affordable. So that's who I think uses broadcast media quite well to keep TOMA. Because every time now someone mentions pizza, I think about Domino's more so than the other ones, more so than Pizza Hut, more so than Papa John's, more so than even Elizabeth's Pizza. I always think of Domino's. So I think it's they do a really good job. Alrighty, and that is the end of video journal number 6. Thank you for listening.